If you owe the IRS money, the penalties are fierce if you don't pay. Many people need help negotiating a lower settlement to get rid of the debt. Welcome Tom Jordan with Wall and Associates. Tom, good morning to you. Thanks for being here.
Hey, Colleen.
First of all, tell us, what does Wall and Associates do?
I mean, basically, we're in business to help people. I mean, we help businesses or individuals who have any type of tax problems with the federal, the state, or the local governments. And, you know, basically, we're there to kind of step between them and the IRS to protect them and their assets and to help them negotiate the lowest possible settlement.
That sounds good. That's a good thing if somebody needs it. How does the process work?
Well, the process obviously starts by them contacting us, and from there, we'll get them in touch with someone in their local area where they can sit down for a free consultation. There, we'll learn exactly what their issues are. They'll learn how Wall and Associates can help them, and from there, we'll be able to turn it over to our case team experts to help them.
Okay, you've been doing this for a long time. What is the biggest mistake that you see people make?
Well, it's true. Wall and Associates has been in business for over 30 years, and I think the biggest mistake most people make is that they either try to do this themselves or they try to ignore the problem and hope it goes away, and that's not going to work for them.
That doesn't happen, does it? That's not the case. How is it possible to settle tax debts for such small amounts?
Well, in my opinion, what the IRS really wants and what the government really wants is they want a steady flow of income coming in. You know, they want everyone filing their taxes on time. They want everyone paying their taxes on time. And so in order to do that, they're willing to work with people on what they owe from the past in order to get that future revenue stream coming in.
Okay, what do you do when you get a tax lien notice in the mail from the IRS? It can be very scary.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, it's a very scary process. I mean, biggest thing is to pick up the phone and contact the professionals, and we'll be able to help them at that point.
Okay, what about this? This is scary, too. What do you do? What does someone do when they get a wage garnishment notice at work?
Exactly, yeah. I mean, it could be a wage garnishment or it could be a bank levy where they're getting ready to freeze your bank account and take whatever funds are there. Again, they just need to contact us. I mean, the earlier they contact us, the better.
Okay.
We'll be able to help them. But even if it's at the point where they're ready to lose their paycheck, then we can step in and help them at that point.
Even at that point, you can still step in and help.
Absolutely.
How long does it take to resolve a tax debt?
Well, most people didn't get in this situation overnight. I mean, it's been years and years of, you know, whatever caused the issue. So it does take time to resolve. But the biggest thing I can tell you is the sooner they contact us, the better, because at that point, they'll be able to sleep better at night, they'll be able to move on with their lives, and we'll be able to help them.
I have to ask this, Tom, how much does it cost?
Well, again, each case is different. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of factors that go into it. But what I can say is that the consultation to meet with our professionals is free, and they'll be able to find out at that point what the fees might be, and the fees are affordable and can be made over time.
What makes Wall and Associates different from other tax resolution companies?
Well, number one, we've been in business for over 30 years. Most other places cannot say that. You know, we have a ton of dedicated, experienced people who really care about helping the individual. So, you know, what really makes us different is, one, we'll sit down and meet with you face to face, and we care about finding out what your issues are and finding out how to help you. But the biggest other issue is, like I said, our people. I mean, they're the hardest working, most dedicated group of people I've ever seen.
Very good, Tom. Thank you so much. For more information, go to wallandassociates.net, wallandassociates.net. You can also call 704-288-3935. The number again, grab a pen and a piece of paper, 704-288-3935. Thanks so much for your time.
Thanks.